What up, family? So it's literally the next day. I look a hot mess right now. It's like about to be 1 o'clock in the afternoon because I went to sleep at almost like 5 in the morning. Um, so about to brush my teeth, get dressed, and then, well, not super dressed. I'm probably gonna be wearing the same thing. Wash my face, brush my hair right quick. I gotta clean up the house. But today I have started my fast, and I'll be fasting, even though I drank a cup of coffee because I kind of needed it. But I will be fasting the rest of the day, and I'll be eating some veggies tonight. Trying to stay on it.
TikTok, don't stop.
Very much such a beautiful day today. Come on, Roxy girl. That's my mama's Roxy girl. So just taking my little Roxy girl for a walk. With some calories. I did drink coffee. I did drink some coffee. Haven't eaten anything. I almost took a bite of a cracker and then I stopped myself. Well, I took like a little bite, but then I stopped myself from eating the whole thing because I almost forgot a little bit. But that's the thing. I am going to, when I'm done walking Roxy, I'm going to sit down at my desk and study the word. Because that's the point of this. Study the word, read about what the word says about fasting, why we fast, and actually pray, and plead to God to help me. And that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Come on, Roxy. Come on, Roxy girl. I was trying to show her. Who's there? That's a baby. Who's there? That's a baby. You see the baby, Roxy? Roxy, who's that? You see the baby over there? That little baby boy over there playing.
I bet you it's just gonna be right regular seashell. Stop seashell. Yeah, I bet you. I bet you. I'm so like, oh, he is a ninja.
What?
He is a ninja.
Oh, Ryan.